Okay, so we're back. We are going long. This time we're on the backtesting account, obviously. So if you saw my last video, which you probably didn't. We took a trade today, got a nice long, which is good. I'll crack on this. Daily, I think we are bullish. I think for the week we are bullish. I think we're targeting this swing high here on the weekly. And it looks the same on the daily as well. Swept out these swing lows. I'm expecting price to now rally up. Previous day we did sweep out the previous day high, but we swept it, ran lower into this big 4-hour fair value gap which we filled, and I'm now thinking that we are bullish. So although we've swept this, I do think we are bullish still. And as a target in this high. So although that does look a little bit counterintuitive, I do think we are still bullish. God, if I say bullish again, man. 4 hour, what we're going off is this move here. Was it here to here initially? Maybe here to there. Anyway, point is, retraced into a discounted market. I always get that mixed up. Discounted market, expanded up on the 1 hour, and then created the previous day high, which we've closed on the 4 hour. We're not going to create a new daily, new 4 hour for another 45 minutes. That's not too much to concern ourselves with right now. On the 1 hour, we've got this kind of period consolidation, manipulated price, swept this low out, rallied, and then we've taken out, well, shifted market structure above all these highs, come back into a discounted market, and now I'm looking for price to react bullish off the back of this. Same with the 15. Again, this same leg up, came down in here, filled this fair value gap. Obviously, there's this little fair value gap in here, which I think might be annoying, but we might be okay for the time being. And my draw on liquidity now is this 15-minute gap up here. There's nothing here until this 5-minute swing high. We've inversed this. I'd waited for this to be inverse. I was going to enter a minute earlier, but I wanted to see this get inversed, this 5-minute gap get inversed first. So I kind of had a bit more confirmation of what's going on. Maybe we take this high, fill this fair value gap, rally higher, I don't know, but I think this is our next draw on liquidity. On the 1 minute, officially we're entering off of this market structure shift with these highs, filled this fair value gap, and then I'm expecting price to now rally up to these previous highs. Stop loss is going, well, I've set my take profit to this draw on liquidity, and I'm expecting my stop loss, well, I'm putting my stop loss at 1 to 1.5 as per usual. So, see how we get on. Fill that gap. Let's see. Would like to show a bit more rejection off that gap, but we'll see. We are probably due a loss. We haven't lost for a little while, especially off the back of that win today. Just my strategy in general is probably due a loss. Right, let's see what we've done there. Filled that 5-minute. Quite like that. Let's see if we take out the high or not. It's good. We haven't closed. Well, we closed through that. I'm trying to think about how I might start to trail stops now, just to there. Although I do think we could come back down into there for some reason. I'm just gonna leave that for the time being. Right, I think we're gonna close there. Right, I'm moving that to at least just this swing low here in case we do come back into this area. Can we push through? Not yet. Are we filling a 15? I would think. Not yet. Ooh, we're not creating a 15 either. I know we did create a 15, but a very small one. 5-minute filled. Can we go to full take profit now? Good. Whew. Good trade. Good trade. Behaved exactly as we were expecting and hoping. Integration of liquidity sweeps and premium and discounted markets is really helping at the moment. And also I'm not forcing things as much, which is obviously really good. Really good. Not forcing things, I'm only taking good setups. And the funny thing is, it's like as I'm forcing trades less, more is occurring, if that makes sense. So because I'm not forcing trades, I'm seeing more natural setups. I'm recognising what's a good setup and what's me forcing something. So let's see how price will play out. Were we going to take that high? I think we probably do. Maybe not. So I mean, we did run a bit higher. It just gives me a bit more confidence that, you know, like, gives me a bit of confidence that we were on the right lines and we haven't actually. I still think if we sweep here now, we should be at bullish. How does the rest of the day play out? Nip through on the 5 minute because I'm interested to see. Okay, that's good. Right, we are. Our hourly was bang on. We entered a little bit earlier than probably the big move, if that makes sense. But given the fact that our trade was only what, like 8 pips stop loss, 9 pips, I don't mind mistiming my entry a little bit because we still caught a nice move. And in here, I mean, I don't know. But I don't need to concern myself with that for the time being because we've just caught a nice trade here, and it worked out alright. And it would have pushed higher, so we didn't like barely win. I always feel a little bit like, oh well, I maybe didn't deserve that if I barely win a trade. But in this case, now we continue to push higher, which is good. Okay, cool. Another win on the board, which is good. Anything you think I've missed or could improve, let me know. Otherwise, I will catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.